What is up, everybody? In this video, I'm going to walk you through a complete tutorial on how to use Lovable step by step. Lovable is an AI platform that allows you to create websites, apps, or virtually anything you can think of by just generating a few prompts. The beauty of this platform is that there's no limits on how creative you can get. So in this Lovable AI tutorial, I'll guide you through a 3-step process. First, we'll make something basic, like a simple website. We'll start with a blank canvas, craft the perfect prompt, and let the AI magic do its work. Then I'll show you how to refine the design, add your own content, and publish something that you'll actually be proud of. Then we'll step it up a little bit and create a website app. We'll start by making an application that you can use right now for your own business. We can make changes, customize the app, and adjust the app however you would like. Lastly, I'll walk you through more of the advanced methods. I'll walk you through how to create websites that really push the limit with AI. In order to replicate some of these AI websites, you would need to have a budget of $10,000 or more, but I'll show you how to create complex websites with stunning designs in just a few minutes. Now you can get started with Lovable completely for free. Just keep in mind, the free version is a bit limited. They only give you a few credits a day, so that's something to think about.